Today, I'm making a banana and strawberry smoothie. The ingredients that I'm using is 1 pound of strawberries, 3 bananas, 2% milk, and the last ingredient I will use is Sierra Mist, or if you have 7-Up, that will work also. I will also be including 3 scoops of sugar, which is about 9 tablespoons, or probably about 1/3 to 1/2 a cup of sugar. Just pour it on the top. Place the lid on top, and since you need 2 hands for this because the blender is so full, use the pulse to get it started so that the milk and the ingredients will come to the bottom where the blades will cut it up. Notice that I do gentle pushes with the pulse. You don't want to stir it all up because it will fly everywhere. There we go. See it bubble up? Continue mixing until all the ingredients have been pulverized or chopped up into tiny pieces. Then turn to crush on the blender and continue blending until thoroughly mixed. After mixing, use a spoon to taste to make sure it tastes correctly with the sweetness that you desire. I am adding 1 7-ounce can of Sierra Mist to mix in, and I will use the blender when I turn the camera off. If yours foamed up like mine did, wait till the foam goes down. Then use the pulse, but first, put the lid on and then pulse it to mix the Sierra Mist with the mixture. I'm pulsing to mix the Sierra Mist with the mixture. Taste your smoothie again and see if it's the right flavor for you. Next, if you want to, you can always pour it into popsicle containers and freeze it for a nice treat later on. I hope you enjoyed my strawberry banana smoothie video. Have a great day.